I couldn't imagine 3 months ago that I'd be able to make an application like this. And I can't imagine the next year, if I can keep learning at even half of this pace, I'll be astounded at what I'm able to create.
Yeah, it definitely feels weird because 3 months ago I was in a totally different field of work. So having this new skill set is definitely nice.
I love it. I enjoy being able to create, whatever I want with just writing out a couple commands here and there, and bam, you got something beautiful that works, and it's amazing, honestly.
That's definitely an interesting and often challenging thing to do, but it's nice to see it all come together at the end.
I think the first week when I came back, I said to my wife, I'm like, I don't know if I can do this. This is a little crazy. And she's like, no, it's all right. Just stick with it, one day at a time. And I'm like, okay. And as everything started to develop, and I think right into like month two, it's starting to kind of come together.
I mean, I feel like, the front-end technologies are fun because you can see what's happening as you do it. And the back-end technologies are cool because that's how things actually happen.
I really like SQL. Yeah, it really reminded me of my old job and just filtering through data. The way that the homework was set up, I saw it as a game.
We had a few challenges with the code, and when everything came together, it really felt good to see the app actually working in the end.
I'll go to different websites and I'll be like, man, what could I do to make this better? I'm just picking around in the console now that I know what it looks like. I'm like, all right, let's see what they got going on here.
I'm pulling from old projects that I didn't really understand like I thought I did a month or two ago I'm looking at them very, very differently now in this final capstone project. It really brought everything together that we've been working towards.
Yeah, it was definitely challenging, but in hindsight, it all worked out and we finished it, and it feels good to cross the finish line. But it was definitely a lot of hurdles to get through to get here. But it feels good.
It's from a Nelson Mandela quote, everything seems impossible until it's done. So I just worked hard, recognized my weaknesses, and then tried to incorporate my strengths to overcome my weaknesses. Just realizing that it's in my head, and if I work hard, I'll eventually get the job done.